going to the beach.
Royce, move, Langston.
We're going to the beach.
Langston, stop it.
Alright, I'm gonna freestyle for y'all. Y'all ready?
Langston.
Y'all ready? I'm about to freestyle.
Langston.
That's not that boy name.
Do I look like him?
Going to the. Alright.
Langston.
No. You gotta get
The beach. Think I might turn into a leech.
Hey guys, do you want to hear
The
my?
beach is hot
Guys, do you want to hear?
and leeches are not.
Hey guys, do you want to hear my
The
rhyme?
beach.
Turned you into what?
Leech. Beach, please.
Okay, guys, this is what I told you. Beach, bow, 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 beach on your beach on your beach on my beach.
Beach.
Order my
please.
peeps. Order my peeps.
No, my cheeks. No,
Order my
cheeks.
beach.
No, my cheeks.
Roy, she didn't go to bed.
Hey.
Stay away from the studio.
No, my cheeks.
Going to my beach. We're going to the beach. No, it's not. Julie's with a U. Julie's with an O.
It's accents.
No, it's not. Boy, what kind of
I
accent
said
do
it
you
in
have?
italic font.
No, if it was in italic, it would still be said the same way. Like,
I said it in a bold font.
would be the same way.
I said it in New York Times Romans
It
font.
would be the same way.
Stinky, stinky.
It's not called no New York Times Roman. It's New Times Roman.
Hey guys, tell you my
New
rhymes,
York
guys.
Times Roman.
Guys, I gotta tell you my rhymes.
Okay, let's hear it.
A guacamole with a potato
Ooh.
steak on.
Guacamole with a potato steak.
A guacamole with on a Wednesday, don't stay, no, don't no more rules say, no, stop, don't raise your hand if you like that one. What? Raise your hand if you like it. Or put his thumbs down if you like it.
Oh,
Bro, you like it? Finally.
Guacamole on a Tuesday. Guacamole on a Tuesday. Tuesday on the potato steak.
Last Tuesday.
Why are you covering the camera?
Damn. Okay, watch him.
not brush your teeth.
Watch him put my salt in my
No,
mouth.
watch me eat all this pepper. Ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now watch
Light
me.
work, no reaction.
Like me.
Boy, because it's just pepper.
It's
Boy, it's just alcohol.
Boy, it's just alcohol.
Watch me eat all this salt in 1 second.
Hey, Reggie said you topping things at Donda Square?
Stop. What you doing? You about to rip it.
Oh, don't cry.
Cool.
RG.
You know he's sensitive.
Are you chopping things at Donda Square?
Nope.
What'd the car smell like when you got in here?
Fart.
Cause I farted in here.
Ah, it's hot.
I farted on your pillow. I was
Trying to give you a pink eye and a little stink eye and a little kink eye.
Like
Pink eye.
stink eye.
Alright, when we gonna play the music?
We're gonna meditate.
Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big 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 Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big.
He's meditating.
That ain't meditating.
All right, who want to pick the song first?
Me.
Me, please, me.
Okay,
Jinx,
pick a
oh,
number. Pick a number 1 through 10.
7.
Hold on, wait. I gotta get the number in my head
Oh,
first.
he a slickster.
All right, go ahead.
7.
Royce.
2.
Reagan.
Watch her pick 17,
I was gonna say 2. I'm gonna say
13.
I'm gonna say 8.
Is support back there for this?
You gonna
No.
say 8?
Yes, sir.
Wait, yes, it is.
What are you talking about, Ray?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna say 8.
Okay, so I don't know how this works. Who gets
Do
it?
a
If
bigger
the person
number.
is-
Do a bigger number.
The person
I'm
who's
not gonna do a
closest.
bigger number. The person that's closest to the number. Yeah, I gotta do a bigger number.
So
One.
if somebody pick 6 and somebody pick 8, you'll pick 8.
What?
If your number is 7.
My number is 4. Royce picked 2. Reagan picked what number? RG picked 7.
Then it would have been Royce.
It'd be
Okay,
Royce.
Royce said
picked first.
2.
What's your number, Royce?
It's Royce with that
I picked
poopness.
PV and I
His booty really smell like poop.
Okay.
Or you just sniffed it.
Put STTV in there.
He smells like Langston.
Oh, Roy.
Okay, now give
He
it to
smells
me.
like Cairo.
Give it to me. Find out.
Is it really smelling like shit back there?
I want it.
No.
That was good music. What are you yapping about?
The little boy underneath that hat.
Reagan. 18 away. She's 18 away. Hit it. Royce, what the heck? Langston, why are your feet sweaty? Langston, why are your feet sweaty? Oh, they know. I'm trying to keep him stable with my weak arm. Hit it.
Just turn 9. You can write rhymes if you can't write rhymes.
What?
That's
the part y'all know. What do I have to say? I don't care at all. Have me up against the wall.
You know what 4 points?
No, I follow the gist.
Riding out to the gang.
You and me, yes, sirree. It's her new me. I'm gonna squeeze it and kiss it and kiss it together forever. You're so dis-
How many hours you did?
Wrong. He didn't do it. I can't. He didn't do it. The law says he didn't do it.
Oh no. I'm gonna drop it.
Why?
I'm holding it with both hands.
We're going to the beach each. Let's get away. And they say what they're gonna say. Like, when you record me, bro, you gotta watch what you're doing to make sure you're recording me and not behind me.
SpongeBob. I need to be so bad.
Where you want to go down there?
Wherever you want to go, Reg, you're the leader. Oh, Evan, you can be in my video today. Or you being a crab. You being a crab at the beach. You want to be in my video today?
Oh, SpongeBob.
Nicki Minaj song.
Starship.
Okay.
Guys, anything for the gram. Anything for the freaking gram. Anything for the gram. Oh. You better fly away. Oh no.
What you gonna take this food for tomorrow's show and tell? What you gonna take? Okay. What if we find a cool shell?
Love. I love to dance. What you said?
Can somebody please close it? Close it. Got it.
Okay. It's cold. What'd you do?
I was standing up on the wave and I was like,
Since you were born, sunshine always kept you warm. So why save the world? Oh yeah, he said, so why see the world when you got the beach? I don't know why see the world when you got the beach. Sweet life. What'd you say? We're on Easy Street. In advance as we We're on Easy Street. Oh shoot, I just lost my shoe. What the fuck the function? Oh my gosh. I wrote my name in the sand. So let's see if we can find it. Look at the goat. King Reagan. King Reagan. King Reagan. When you're living on your knees, you rise up. Tell your brother that he's gotta rise up. Tell your sister that she's gotta rise up. One of these colonies gonna 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 rise up. Rise up. Rise up. Wise up. Eliza. I show myself as the culprit. What empty grape stem? He wrote E-Man the goat and E-Man in cursive.
Sorry, birds. Get that right. Oh. All I had today was two. Grab that mop, grab that mop. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope all is well.
Burgers, fries.
No, that chicken sandwich is not good.
It's disgusting. That's the.
You the type of person to say that chicken burger good.
Yeah, just cause it's chicken. Just cause it's chicken. That chicken burger rib.
I don't know. Maybe they cook yours differently than mine.
You got a chicken burger?
The first time we went.
Oh, mine wasn't dry.
You got it?
Did you make it without us?
Yeah. Cause the cornstarch was on the counter, and I was like,
I'm breaking the
Red was down at Hollywood Beach and we was going down one of these and I fell.
There you feel?
Do I look like him? Like him?
Mama, I'm chasing a girl. Do I look like him? Where are you, Regan? Hey, Dad.